Our main specialty here at Armando's Auto Body and Paint is collision repair and paint restoration. Now we have expanded to where we have 4 shop doors, and we're looking forward to grow with our community.
We've been dealing with Armando for approximately 5 years. He has upgraded his shop with equipment, which includes frame equipment, a measuring system. He has 2 different paint mixing systems in order to mix and match the proper color on a customer's car. And Custom Colors, we strive at trying to keep our customers updated with the latest technology, the up-to-date paint, sandpaper, tapes, to make sure that they're getting a job in and out in a proper time, and that they're doing a quality job for their customer.
Well, one of the many reasons I would definitely recommend Armando is he's really professional, really courteous, really friendly. When you speak to him, he tells you exactly what you need. He shows you what the damage is, what he can do, what the different options are. Communicating with him is really simple, really easy, and of course the job is really well done. You would think that a big company such as Chrysler, we would outsource our work to maybe a bigger company, but no, we like to stay local because Armando works.
I'm real impressed with Armando's work and his staff. I've been using him for 5 years. I've tried to use other people, but I send my work to Armando because of his quality and just everything in general about the staff here. Sometimes if I get a vehicle in and the bumper needs to be touched up, I'll send it to Armando. The customer looks at the vehicle like it's been taken care of, and we take care of our vehicles that we do sell on our lot. So Armando does a really good job of us putting all our pre-owned vehicles on our lot where they look like new vehicles.
The reason I recommend my Mazda customers to Armando's Auto Body is the quality of work, fast turnaround time, and I have had a lot of customers give me very positive feedback regarding his service and his friendliness with everybody that comes in. And that's why we recommend Armando's Auto Body and Paint.
Every project is different. We look to deliver a high quality service in every project. We look to cater to every customer's special needs. It's always our goal to make the customer's vehicle look good again and get it back on the road as soon as possible.